In this video, I will show you how to turn on SGE, Generative AI Search in Chrome browser. So once you update your Chrome browser to latest version, here you will see this search lens icon. Click on it. First time it will ask to turn on. So select this setting to on. Also you can get the update and you can try an example from here. So you will get this generative AI. Now you search anything. Also you can make it off. So again click here, search lab and slide this setting to off. Now search anything here. So this is the way you can enable or disable generative AI in Google search result. Thanks for watching.